Hi, traders, and welcome to the PL Capital Market Review. I'm your host, Paul. Today is Saturday, September 23rd. Going to look at the S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell today. So let's go. All right, going to start with the upcoming economic calendar, and pretty impactful week. A lot of little data points and a couple big ones. So we got on Monday Chicago Fed national activity and the Dallas Fed manufacturing. Not big movers, or market won't react too strongly to those. Tuesday you do have home price and consumer confidence along with new home sales. And then all week we got a whole bunch of Fed speakers speaking. I don't think anything is going to come much out of what they say. I think Powell said everything he needed to, and market, I think, took the cue from what he had to say. So I don't expect that to do much. Wednesday, you got durable goods orders. And then the big ones are coming up on Thursday and Friday. GDP growth, pending home sales, and then Friday, the big one, core PCE price index, spending and income, and you got inventory, retail and wholesale inventories, along with the Michigan consumer sentiment. So those days, there'll be a lot of reaction to all these data points. So be ready for those days. All right, let's move on to the charts. All right, here's the 4-hour chart of the S&P futures contract. And we finally broke the low of that A wave, what I think is the A wave. So we broke that. So I think that we're going to get this big ABC. So A, B, and now we're going to come down in 5 waves. And I don't think we're done yet. Even though we broke the low, I only see 1 there, 2 there, 3, and I don't even think the third wave is totally in. So this 4, 3, 5, 7, I could see that getting they could push down just a little bit more. I don't think it'll go down a whole lot more. But I think we'll finish 3. It'll probably happen, could happen just Sunday night or early Monday. But I'd only be looking for a buy setup now, because we need to go up for a 4 and then down for a 5. So only looking for a short-term play. I mean, it might only be just a couple days, but you should be able to make some decent profit playing for that 4th wave. Going to need 3 waves there, and then we'll need 3 waves to come down, complete that 5th wave, and then that'll be your C, A, B, C. So next week, I'm only looking for buy setups. Short term, but only looking for buy setups. But definitely when that 4th wave completes, I want to be in that final 5th wave move down. All right, moving on to the Nasdaq. So pretty much the same thing, but a little bit different because they didn't break the A wave. They came close today. So we've got our A and then our B, and now we're going to come down for C in 5 waves. And so we've got 1, 2, and they're in the process of 3, and I don't think it's done. When I look at the internals of this last wave, it doesn't look complete. So I could see them coming down. Now, they don't necessarily have to come and break 14,792. They don't have to break that. They could actually just stop short, give a big fake, trying to load fake people into shorting to come break that low, but they could just come real close, finish 3, and then spike it up for 4. So I wouldn't be playing, even though I think there's more down, and they very well could come and take out that low. I wouldn't be playing it. It's just not worth it. The bigger play is going to be playing for this 4th wave up in 3 waves, and then 3 waves down for 5. So only looking for buy setups too on Nasdaq. All right, Russell. I'm going to zoom out to the daily on this because I think I finally figured out what this whole mess is here. So I think they're making a big triangle here. So after this big down wave, definitely this is a 3-wave move up. And I think that this was 5 waves here's the correction. And then it came down, but obviously it didn't break that low. So it's a contracting flat, but it's a three-wave move. 1, 2, 3. So that's A, this is B, and then here's a three-wave move for C. And now I think we're in the D wave. So this will be, come on, 1, 2, and I don't think this is done either. I think they got a little bit more down to go. I mean, they could push it way down, but you know, somewhere along that trend line would be, I mean, just textbook, I think. But this is going to be D, and then we're going to go up in three ways for E. So all in all, this will be A, B, C, D, E triangle. So, and that makes sense because it's been hard to figure out what this whole mess has been. And to me, it just has the perfect look of a triangle. So I think there's a little bit more down in the Russell, finish this D wave. But again, just like the S&P and Nasdaq, for the Russell, I'd only be looking for buy setups because this E wave could be, if they come up to the trend line, it could be, you know, fairly substantial, pretty big move. So I'd only be looking for buy setups there. But again, they could break this top. I'm not expecting them to. So, you know, just like everything else, I think it just comes up and then it'll get rejected. All right, that's what I see in the markets. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Good luck to you all. See you in the next video.